How to cancel a WorldRemit transfer. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can cancel a WorldRemit transfer, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to cancel a WorldRemit transfer, it depends upon which stage the transfer is in. If the recipient has already received the money, there's really nothing that you can do because WorldRemit does not have anything associated with you and the other person. They're only just a medium to exchange money. Now, if the transaction is still in progress and then you want the WorldRemit to cancel the transaction, it is very simple. First of all, you want to go to worldremit.com and then just make sure that you're signed into the account. Then once you're signed into the account, you're going to see this type of interface where you just have to click the My Transactions icon from the top right hand side of the screen, as you can find them here. Once you click the My Transactions icon from the top right, you're going to be able to go to the transfer activity, where you'll be able to see all of the transfers that are currently in progress, pending, or maybe the cancel and past transfers. Just select a specific transfer that you would like to cancel, find them, hit the cancel button, and then you should be good to go. This way you can go ahead and then cancel a WorldRemit transfer. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.